Let's mix navy blue. Hi guys, it's me, Sarah, and you are watching Courageous Color. So today I just wanted to show you how easy it is to mix navy blue. So let's do it. We're gonna start with 3 parts royal blue. There we go, those 3 parts are pretty equal. And then we're gonna add 1 part black. So I get all my paints from Amazon. They're Sax True Flow heavy bodied acrylic. So if you want to use the exact same paint, you go over to Amazon and get Sax True Flow heavy bodied acrylic. And I don't make any money off of that. I just think that these paints are really great. And then you'll get the exact same color that I'm mixing here. And recently I've been pairing this color with a very light pink for some of my abstract backgrounds, and I think it pairs really well. It also would pair definitely with orange or a tan color really well. And there we go, we're mixing it together. It is so beautiful. It is like just the easiest navy blue, and it's really such a beautiful color. So I would just like to ask you, if this video helped you at all, give it a like and leave a comment for me, and definitely subscribe to Courageous Color. Thanks so much. Have a great day.